Want to learn English fast and easy? Just listen, relax, and try to repeat. Today, we're gonna go to Florida. Let's go. Florida is hot, sunny, and full of palm trees. The sky is blue almost every day. People wear shorts and sandals all year. Even in winter, the weather feels like summer. It's perfect for people who love the sun. On my first day, I went to the beach. The sand was soft and white like sugar. I saw people swimming, surfing, and playing music. One man was dancing with a parrot on his shoulder. That's when I knew Florida is wild. Then I saw something that shocked me. A woman was walking with an alligator on the leash. Yes, a real live alligator, like a pet dog. No one was scared. People just walked by. I couldn't believe my eyes. I asked someone, "Is this normal?" He said, "Welcome to Florida," and laughed. People there are very chill and funny. They don't worry too much about strange things. That's just how life is in Florida. I also went to a place called the Everglades. It's a big area with water, grass, and wild animals. I took a boat ride and saw snakes and birds. One bird flew so close, it touched my head. The guide said, "That means good luck." Later, I saw a big lizard running across the street. No one screamed. No one ran away. Even the cars stopped to let it pass. In Florida, animals are part of everyday life. It's strange, but also kind of fun. At night, I walked near the bench again. People were having a big party outside. They played music, danced, and ate fried shrimp. One group invited me to join them. We talked and laughed for hours. The next day, I visited a theme park. It had roller coasters, fireworks, and big cartoon characters. I felt like a kid again, full of joy and wonder. Everyone was smiling and taking photos. It was one of the best days of my life. The park was clean, bright, and super colorful. Every worker said, "Have a magical day." There were kids from many different countries. Everyone was happy, even the tired parents. I also tried some local food in Florida. I ate key lime pie for the first time. It was sweet, sour, and very soft. One bite, and I wanted the whole thing. Now I understand why people love it. Florida has big storms too. One day, the sky turned dark very fast. Rain came down like a waterfall. But after 20 minutes, the sun came back. People just smiled and said, "Typical Florida." Before I left, I watched the sunset. The sky turned orange, pink, and gold. It was so quiet, and the waves were soft. I took a deep breath and felt calm. Florida gave me peace and surprise together. Florida is more than beaches and parties. It's full of nature, music, and kind people. Some things were strange, some were amazing, but every day felt like a new story. I'm really glad I went there. Well, that was all for today. Make sure to subscribe, comment, and share this video with your friend. Have a great day. Bye.